Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through how you can build a real-time AI chat app that streams responses, just like ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other AI chat assistant. Streaming responses give a better user experience and make the app feel faster and more interactive. Here we can see that when we send a message to ChatGPT, it instantly processes our request and starts streaming the response. This is an example of my app. When we send a message, it processes the text and then starts streaming the response to the front end, just like ChatGPT. So there's a chat view component. Inside it, we have an input field and a submit button within a form. When the form is submitted, an event triggers the handle send function. In handle send, the user's message is stored in a variable with an ID, and the assistant's message is stored in another variable with a draft ID. Then all messages are combined into a next messages constant, and we update the messages state with that. After that, we call an API named API chat. Inside the root.ts file, we're storing conversations as records. Then we use the API and key to define the AI model. There's also a session ID, which we get from the front end. On the front end, we generate this session ID whenever the user lands on the component. Next, we map the messages received from the front end and store them before sending them to the AI model. Then we call the AI API, in this case, the Gemini API, where we pass the stream, generate content parameters, and the API key. In the response, we get an upstream. And then we define the encoder, decoder, and reader which come from the Gemini API. Inside a function, we start reading the response and decode the values we get in chunks. We then spread those chunks into an array of matches, where each match contains text. We append each piece of text to a full text variable, continuously streaming the response to the front end until it finishes. On the front end, we get the reader and decoder. We keep reading the response and set it as the assistant's message until we receive the full response. Once the complete response is received, we simply render those messages. So this is the complete explanation of how you can integrate a streaming AI chat into your app using Gemini and Next.js. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.